Hello, I'm Mike Kaufman, president and owner of Cox Printers here located at Linden, New Jersey. We were founded in 1907 by Thomas H. Cox and Son. The Kaufman family bought it from them back in 1984. We're currently in 18,000 square feet. We've got 35 employees. We really work one shift, sometimes a long shift. However, we try to keep it strictly to that because the balance in life is very important to us here. We've decided over the course of time to make sure the services we offer remain cutting edge and also really are customer driven. So we have, of course, offset presses, everything from a single to a 5-color offset press. It's a 2-color press. So it all has to be in position because you want your letterhead to be straight, maybe. Okay. So you take the actual piece and you put it on an image carrier. This now mounts onto the press. What happens as it turns, it gets hit with water. It wets the plate. Wherever it wets the plate, the ink doesn't pick up on it. It repels. All right, so it's hydrophobic. Where the text is, if I put water on it, it'll repel off of there as it goes around, thus allowing the ink to stick. I've got my image here. As it goes around, it picks up the image, and it then goes onto the blanket cylinder. So it transfers like a giant rubber stamp onto the blanket cylinder. I've just offset the image from my plate to my blanket cylinder. And it's wrong reading. It's opposite. I take my piece of paper and it goes through the press behind an impression cylinder. The sheet of paper goes through, it's impressed onto the sheet of paper. So the image is offset from positive reading, negative, back to positive. And that's where offset printing comes. We run several digital color presses, black and white units as well. We offer direct mail. So in here is the world of digital printing. So the difference here is, instead of the offset presses, the ink which you might use for the longer run or specific orders, in here is digital, short run, full color. We have 2-color digital presses. One of them is the C1100 from Konica, which is only out a year. We were one of the first in the country to have it. We were part of the product launch. So for instance, this is another one of our clients, and this is a short run, full color piece that just came off. In the old days, we'd have to go to an offset press, and it was cost prohibitive to run 500 of these. Now we can do it. We can do it in a couple of hours, and it looks beautiful. So as long as we have a good image in, it comes out. That's it. It's a beautiful image, all done digitally. So the world of digital affords us a lot of flexibility with the marketing campaigns, short run, full color, and it's really huge adaptation over the last several years and great advancements for the world of printing. We have online ordering, so we can warehouse people's product, offer them a shopping cart system where they get management reports, and we can support multiple locations for them in order to drive costs down and control up. So we have the inventory. We have variable data online, so for business cards or other products that might change, people can go in, set it, see a proof, real time. It streamlines it, no mistakes, faster turnaround. We also have the promotional products that we offer, because if we're going to be a true marketing firm, we want to be able to offer people the whole gamut in order to elicit the response required in order to get our customers more business, because that's really not just being a printer, it's about doing that, becoming a strategic partner with our clients. The more success they have, the more success we have. We have corporate Facebook, we'll help you tweet, we'll do email blasts, we do SEO work on your websites in order to get you some business off the Google searches, to name one. You don't want to forget your roots as a person. You want to be able to remember what a California job case is. You want to know how type was set way back when, and the whole Ben Franklin story. We have proof presses here from the early 1900s. And one of the real rewarding parts of having that history here is we've had Girl Scout troops come in and students from different schools come in and clubs, and we could take them and do a time travel almost. Here's how it used to be done, and we show them individual type, and then we could take them right over to the world of digital, and they leave with something printed in front of them. They'll write their name, and they leave with it printed. This would come down, and I can cut the paper with it. We have it dated back, I think, the late 1800s, early 1900s. back here, I'll show you a small offset press, what offset means. So in here is the world of digital printing. But basically what we're doing in here, of course, is all the Macs lined up, so we can do design, fix files, create files. Over here is where we work our social media. This is the corner where we have it's called cross-fire communications. Right over here is the cutter. One of those the same side. Voila. Printing is manufacturing. We're custom manufacturing every job for every customer. There's a lot of moving parts. We want to do it. We want to do it right. I'm not going to pretend that we're going to be the least expensive printer, but I am going to tell you that the honesty, the ethics are always there. We want to be better than anybody else. This company itself, how we run our core, what the goal is to provide the customer the best we can, never knowingly doing anything other than that. I want you to have a great product. I want you to be happy with us and a good experience in working with us. And I believe that that's one of the reasons why we've had so many longtime clients that really have turned into friends, because we mean it. It is from the heart when we say that. We want to be great at what we do.